Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I always keep on getting weird thoughts about doing piercings. I don't know, I have like this kind of addiction that I want to just keep on piercing myself. Anyway, the other day I was just on Pinterest and I passed by this really unique piercing that actually caught my attention and made me feel like trying it on myself. It's a very creative slash unique piercing that really, I don't know, was really nice. I'll just insert a picture over here and I'll attempt to pierce it on my left ear since I don't have much piercings over here and it's very boring and plain. The piercing is the rook and then the forward helix. This is my first time attempting it on myself and attempting such a thing on myself. It's always so scary and complicated doing piercings on yourself, more than like piercing other people, because when you're piercing other people, you know what you're doing and you can see what you're doing. Over here, piercing your own ear is very complicated. Let's get on with the video. Two cannula needle. Why is it so hard to say? I got two cannula needles, 16 gauge, and I'll start with my forward helix. This is me experimenting on myself as usual. Every day, new piercing. Every week, new idea. I'll start off with my forward helix and then I'll slide through the horseshoe barbell. I'll pierce the rook and I'll slide it through and hopefully it works. Hopefully we get to our goal. Okay, so I'll just clean my ear and just go for it. I already had a forward helix before, like a year ago. I don't know if you could see the scar. I just pierced it on the scar. I don't know if you guys could see. I hate this. It hurts. Okay, deep breath. I got it. It's always painful. The pain comes to your head. Got my hair. Okay. Oh, it's bleeding a lot. I hope both of them are good placements. Ow. It hurts. It's okay to bleed anyway. It happens. No big deal. Part 2 is piercing my rook. My ear is currently dying slash numb. I hope my camera doesn't die halfway. I'll go crazy. I tried to fix it. It doesn't get on the way. Just go with the rook. Wish me luck. This is so painful. I'm about to cry. Oh no, I pinched the other side. Okay. Burning. It's burning, guys. How am I gonna get this? Okay, so my camera basically died halfway and I'm in so much pain. This is so painful. I don't know if I did it the right way. I did what you guys could see. It's kind of bleeding. I'm not sure if this went wrong or not. I need to clean this up. and figure it out. It is like the picture. I think so. This piercing has probably reached the peak of my pain tolerance. I just have to screw that stupid ball and I'll show you guys how it looks like. I'm back. I have just pierced the most painful piercing I have ever pierced in my entire life. Of all types of ear piercings, this is the most painful one. Can't even explain how painful this is. This is how the results is. Was it worth it? Yes, it was worth it. Worst case scenario, just worst case, I couldn't handle the pain anymore. I'll remove it. I'll just put a normal earring on my rook and maybe just, I don't like the forward helix. I'm not a fan. I would definitely rate the pain a 9 or 8 out of 10. Each person is different obviously, but piercing your rook and your forward helix at the same time and connecting them together is anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting obviously more piercing videos, but so far I think I'm done with my ears. I got my rook, my vertical tragus, my this weird connected one on my conch. I think I'm done with my ears. Yes, that's it. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.